Alright, dude. Here we go. This is the laundry room. It's got a door now. That's the garage door there coming in. And then this is the wall. I thought it was cut, but it's not. It is open though. And I don't know if that helps at all. Can't be worse than photos. And it goes up there. Up in there. We're going to go around the other side, look at that. We can see the electricals already here, and then we have the height of the wall there. And then coming around. And this is what we didn't figure on. We've got the washer box. It needs to go from that bay to that bay. Yeah, so that one's got to move over. I'm just trying to scope as much as I can out here. That's staying. The laundry sink. I can't really see too much, but it looks like it turns that way. So pretty much the top of the soffit is going to be the top. We're basically cutting that off right here. So that's the top of the wall, and then the bottom of the wall is right here. So we were going to go. All right, my friend. Talk to you in a bit.